Welcome to our web development series. Today, we are going to learn how to create show password functionality using JavaScript. This feature enhances user experience by allowing them to toggle visibility of their password. Let's get started. So this is what we have inside our script.js. This is what we have, and also looking at our browser, this is what we have. So first, we are going to target the button. The button over is having an ID of show password, as you can see over here. We have it here. The button is having an ID of show password. So over here, we are going to create a variable called show password. So let's show password is equal to document dot get element by ID, then show dash password. So this is what we have. Let's do console.log to see what we are getting. Let's go back to our browser. Then over here, just press here, then inspect. So let's go to our console. So as you can see, this is what we have. So when the user click on this one, let's fire something. This one be show password dot add event listener dot add event listener. So what we are looking for is click and a callback function. Semicolon here. So over here, when the user let's alert, button was pressed. To test and see whether our logic is working, button was pressed. Okay, so let's go back. Now click on it. So as you can see, our logic is working. So when the user click on this one, the input element over here is having a type of password, as you can see. So when the user click on this one, we will change the type to test. That's the logic that we are going to use. So we are going to use an if statement. So first, let's get the input password. So we'll create a variable again. So let's create it here. So let's password input is equal to, this is the input element. Let's add an ID to it. So this one be ID will be equal to password dash input. So over here will be document 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 dot get element by ID show password. No, it's password input rather, not show password. This is what we have. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to use an if statement to check if if the password input, the type here, the type currently, the type is password. If the type is password, change it to test. So that's what we are going to do. So use an if statement. So it will be if password input dot type is triple equal to password, then it will be password input dot type, let's set it to test, else copy this one from here, then paste it here. So let's make this one password. So this is what we are trying to do. If password input, which is this, the input element, so if the type is password, set it to test, else set it back to password. Okay, so let's enter in something here. So as you can see over here, the visibility over here is hidden. So you are not seeing the test, and also the type here is password. But when we click on this one, okay, so over here, instead of submit, let's change the type to button rather, not submit. Okay, or we have another option. Instead of, we'll do prevent dot default. So over here, instead of, we can even do e dot prevent default. Okay, so which is this one. And the next thing I want us to do, let's go and check and let's see something. Okay, so as you can see over here, our logic is working fine. So the next thing I want us to do is that when type is test, I also want us to change this one, show password, to hide password when the type over here is test. So let's go and do that. So over here it will be show password dot test content. So the test content over here will be equal to what? Hide password. Let's copy this one from here. Then let's paste it here. And this one will be what? Show password. Okay. Let's type in something here. Let's refresh it. Let's type in something here. Click on, as you can see over here, our logic is working fine. Okay. So now we have added show password functionality. This feature can significantly improve the user experience on your website. Experiment with different styles to match your design, and don't forget to test the functionality across different browsers. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more web development tips and tutorials. Happy coding. Bye for now.